Alrighty, let's get right into it. We got another backtesting session. I posted a trade recap and a market review of price action this morning. Um, so if you're watching this, go watch that. Just did an analysis of how price moved this morning, possible entries, what I took this morning. I did take a trade. It hit partial profits and then got stopped at a break even afterwards. So still green. Um, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do some back testing today. Um, Not doing too bad overall, but I really am trying to lock in as far as my analytics and statistics go. Just making sure that I'm trading realistically, taking A plus setups only, stuff that I take in real time, and just getting a sense of where price likes to target my stops, where price as far as TP goes. I'm mostly taking one to ones right now, and that's the highest probability win rate for me. Just getting analytics, seeing overall what price likes to do with my current strategy. So um, yeah, let's just get right into it. Alrighty, let's take it to New York session. Start off on the daily chart, just see what we're looking at. Right, so we're reacting off of this daily fair value gap, delivering from that point, looking like we want to be um, more bearish. We still do have this SMT right here, right? So swept out these highs on NQ, failed to sweep them out on ES, and just for note, when I do say NQ and ES, I'm talking about MNQ and MES. I'm trading the micro contracts, so just for note, delivering from this daily fair value gap as well. We look like we want to go lower, come take out these lows. So just watching out for these lows, looking bearish coming into the day. Right, so as of right now, we're inversing this 4 hour, still inside of this 4 hour on ES. Do have a 4 hour fair value gap that we're delivering from. Yeah, we're just looking pretty bearish right now, right? So go ahead and mark out all these lows. Hourly, what do I see? Forming an hourly fair value gap, still delivering from this hourly fair value gap. Low inside this hourly fair value gap as well. High draw on liquidity. Unfilled 1 hour down here. Right, so just watching out for this. Same thing over here. Just got some internal lows. Price failed to come and sweep. Slow. That gave us an SMT that ended up pushing us higher. We're still trailing and trading inside of this 1 hour. Let's go down to the 15-minute, get a sense of structure for the day, right? 15-minute is where I'd like to find my real confirmation of what price wants to draw to. What do I see zooming out? I see a low inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. High draw on liquidity, right? So watch out for this. Unfilled 15-minute down here. Low inside of this fair value gap. Already been swept out. Looks like we're going to want to push lower, take out these lows. Alright, what else did we create? 15-minute fair value gap. I'd like to see us displace back up into this. Same thing over here. 15-minute fair value gap. I'd like to see price displace up into this and deliver lower from here. But we could just come down and sweep out these lows, right? But either way, we're looking bearish. I would like continuation shorts. We're going to want to come take out this high, most likely. Still trading inside of a 5-minute fair value gap. Right, still trading inside this 5-minute. Body is still respecting. Scroll down. What do we see? Any opportunities for an inverse? Highest time frame would be this 2-minute inversion. Three minutes. Actually opened up a 5-minute. Alright, so let's just see what price wants to do off open. Immediately we're displacing lower. Not getting that same type of reaction. I do like that low still. Continue displacing lower. Get a 5-minute inversion. One to one. I do like this. Low inside of a fair value gap. Could just be getting a false move off open. I just don't think so. Yes, same thing. Already got the tap in. Clearly bearish. Delivering from a 5-minute fair value gap. Got a 5-minute inversion. With good displacement. Lower. Clear target. Below inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. Do have this unfilled 5-minute above still. Alright, so let's just see my stop position. We probably wanted to come resweep this high, tap into this unfilled 5. Yeah, that's exactly what we wanted to do. Still delivering from this 5-minute. Highest time frames is 4 minute. Clear 1 minute inversion. Open up a 5 minute. Still reacting. Gonna come up, sweep out this high that I thought we were going to originally. Now let's see if we're gonna deliver into this 15-minute fair value gap. Should tap into it. We do. Great displacement, inverse of all these. I like this. Go break even at this low. I like this. I'm delivering off this 5 minute. Bearish SMT. What did I get? What? Where did I get stopped out? Oh, oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. I forgot to move my stops. Hold on. This is what I meant. Stopped out. Alright, so Could have gone break even at this internal 5-minute, right? So not a great start. To be honest, looking back, I didn't even see this unfilled 5-minute. It's probably, I mean, this filled 5-minute, right? But either way, break even, that would have been a good trade. All right, let's just take a step back. Not force anything, right? Unfilled daily. Looks like we want to trend higher. Still delivering from this daily. Do this bearish SMT off open. Delivering from this 4-hour. This is data high. Data high. Delivering from this 15-minute. Price is not giving us much structure. Highest time frame. This 2-minute. I'd like us targeting data highs. Same thing over here. Get that 2-minute. Swept out that low. Now I'm on the 5-minute. Immediately tap into this. Get a 1-minute inverse. One-minute inverse. Good distribution. Like to see inverses 2-minute. Let me get an inverse of the 2-minute. Data highs is a clear target. Unfilled 3-minute. Could just treat this as a breakaway gap. To have a bearish SMT. Come back down, inverse this 1-minute. Probably going to want to tap back down lower into this unfilled. There you go, now you get the 1-minute inversion. Yeah, I like this entry. Targeting data highs. 1-to-1 right here. Take partials. Close out 50% of the trade right there. As well as go break even. Forgot to add in partials, so let's just go ahead. 17, 780, 25. As well as let's move our stops to break even. Bruh. There we go. Am I gonna get my trade closed out? I don't know if it's gonna give me my partials. There we go. Bro, did not even put me in this trade? Didn't even put me in the trade. Did it? 1.2K. No, it did. It put me in. Alright, that was solid. Very good trade. Data highs above, right? Delivering from a 15-minute. We got the 2-minute inversion. We got the retracement into the 1-minute unfilled. We got another 1-minute inversion following that. Stops below. The candle, the wick of the wick that retraced into the 1-minute. Data highs above that we're targeting. Banger. That was great. Daily unfilled looks pretty appetizing for price. We're inside of the daily right now. Unfilled 4-hour. Low inside of the 4-hour. We look bullish. Maybe we tap into this unfilled 4-hour, or we just displace immediately up into this daily unfilled gap. Haven't come down and tapped into this end of week gap. Could see us coming down here. We're delivering from it over here. Delivering from a 15-minute. Swept out these highs. Delivering from a 15-minute. Bearish SMT in place. Delivering from a 5. Moving further. Another bearish for value gap. Could invalidate these SMTs. We did inverse this 5-minute recently. Unfilled 5 minute below. Wicked up, take out these highs. Could see us coming and tapping in, and immediately we get a move higher. 5 minute inversion. BPR. Tap into the BPR. Still reacting off this 1 minute. Now you get the 1 minute inversion. Still tapping back into 4 minute for value gap though. Tap into the unfilled 5. Left double top highs. Gonna want to come for these. We're in this unfilled 5 minute though. Dumping. Yeah, we're just gonna continue dumping. Did just tap into this Friday gap. Yeah, I need to see a little bit more confirmation that we want to start pulling back up. Looks like we're going to want to continue lower. Right, tapped into this 4 minute. What do you get? 2 minute inversion. Still have this low down here we haven't come for yet. And it's also an unfilled 4 hour. I like this. Yeah, good displacement. I do like this. And we tapped into this unfilled 4-hour. Shoot. I messed up. I knew we were gonna wick. Now I'm in a tough spot here. Do I think we continue flushing, or do I think we just tap into this unfilled 4-hour? If I would have had stops right here, would have hit full TP, but yeah, I'm gonna have to close out my profits. Good thing we got stops to break even. So just should have had my take profit a little bit low, a little bit higher, realizing that we could just have the ability to tap in, not flush through, right? So right here probably would have good. Right here would have been the proper trade setup, right? So still got my profits, still escaped. Made a good judgment call there. Getting a sip of this Diet Coke. One of God's finest creations, caffeine free. Alright, respecting this daily fair value gap. Still haven't tapped into it. Did tap into this 4-hour. Did have that low down there. Looks like we swept it, nor did we create equal lows. We just barely swept that low. Just gotta sweep that low. Delivering from this 1-hour. See what price does off open. We wake up, sweep out this high, which I like. Taps us into this unfilled 15-minute. We don't open up any 1 minutes. right, you get a 1 minute inversion, which is the highest time frame. Not enough distribution though. Now you're getting displacement. I just don't know if I'm convinced yet. I need to see a CISD. Yep. The reason I wasn't very convicted on this inversion, right, is because look at price. Up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lower low, higher lows, higher highs, barely. We didn't create them there, but higher lows, higher highs. So just because we invalidated this 1 minute fair value gap, we've done that over here before, and then we still end up displacing further. The move that we want to catch right now is either a deeper retracement to this 15 minute or just a higher time frame inversion, right? So it looks like we're going to invalidate this 15 minute. We do. We inverse this 15 minute. So now you're looking for a retracement really quickly. We're still inside of this 15 minute over here. Didn't take out these highs yet. It's a high inside of a 5 minute fair value gap. It's a good draw on liquidity. This as well is a high inside of a fair value gap. I would like to see a bigger inversion. I just don't know if I'd take this. And we created nothing. Now you get this 1 minute inversion. You get this low inside of this 1 minute. I would take this. Yeah, stops below this low. And we create anything. Did sweep out this low. Solid. Solid trade. Yeah, I mean, clear targets, internal SMC, retracement into a 4-minute, inverse of this 15-minute, 1-minute inversion. Solid. Very, very solid. What we do, we inverse this 4-hour, low inside of this 4-hour, tapped into this 4-hour, unfilled 4-hour above. Same thing, inverse this 4-hour, taps into this 4-hour, unfilled 4-hour above. Reacting off of an hourly. Same thing, reacting off of an hourly. We are delivering off an hourly over here. This low just seems very, very enticing. Delivering from this 15. Took out this high. 15-minute. Unfilled 15-minute below. Same thing right here. Unfilled 15-minute below. What do I see on the 5-minute? Unfilled 5-minute. We look bearish. We wick down to this unfilled 15-minute. We'll leave this unfilled 5-minute below. Reacting off of this 5-minute, displacing higher. Now you tap into this unfilled 5-minute. I'm liking this. Longs looks good here. Still have this high, but still have this high that we haven't tapped into over here. I do like this a lot. Bearish SMT. What are we trending towards? Not much. I think that we've got our draw. Relative equal highs. Just waiting for price to open up some structure. Inverse of this 1 minute to the downside. Equal lows. Inversion of this 5 minute. Looking like we're going to come target this 15 minute. Could take this 1 minute inversion. Still respecting this. Unfilled 5 minute above. Now you get this 5 minute inversion. Still delivering off this 15 minute. Tapped into this 15 minute over here. We inversed. No, we did not inverse this 15 minute yet. Solid V-shaped inversion right here. I do want to see what this 15 minute candle does. We did get an inversion of that 15 minute. Reacting off of this 30 minute. You gotta pull back down. Could take longs out of this. Yeah, nah. Oh, we had news. So now we have data high. Let's get a resweep of this low. There we go. Took out data lows. Bullish SMT. What do we open up? 2 minute. Took out these data lows. Looking to target these data highs now. Want to see a 2 minute inversion. You get it. Get the 2 minute inversion. Swept out this low inside of this 15 minute. Still delivering off of this 15 minute. I like this a lot. Have had choppy price action, so this just isn't high probability. I like to go quick break even right here. Yeah, I really like this.
Go break even right here. Break even. Might be re-entry opportunity. Inverse all of this 30-second. Still have data highs above. Not really creating much structure for me. Probably end up flushing through now. Yeah, there we go. Now we came for data highs. So just not much you can do about that, to be honest, you know. It was a good trade, right? This was our entry point. Going for data highs. It was choppy PA, so I went break even at this internal high. Just wick down as a break even, and then we filled data highs. So just not much you can do about that. Ooh, I was gonna say, got this 1 minute inversion. Alright, this was a 2 minute inversion. Alright. Not a bad setup. You just get actually incredible setup. Just an unfortunate break even. Data highs. Reacting inside of a 4 hour still. Resweep of this low would be nice. Data lows look very appealing. I mean data highs, sorry. Hourly fair value gap. Maybe we get our tap back in over here into those. We just swept this low inside of this 15-minute fair value gap. Failed to sweep that low. I would fail to sweep that low as well on this. Did sweep this low though. Bullish. IFVG. Inside of the 15-minute right now. inside of these 5 minutes. Want to see this 5 minute get inversed. Same with these. Five minute below. Same with this. See if we come tap down into this 5 minute or just displace higher. Well, we wick up into this 5 minute. Bring this SMT over here. Create an SMT. Continue pushing lower. SMT is invalid. Inverse this 5 minute. Haven't inversed the 5 minute over here yet. Get another SMT. SMT goes invalid. It looks like we're going to want to come tap down to this unfilled hourly. We both get sweeps of these lows. Haven't tapped into the hourly. Now we did tap into the hourly on both time frames. No tap into the 5 minute. Still inside of this hourly for value gap. They get a sweep of these lows. Tap into this 1 minute. Get a V-shaped inversion. I would have taken that. So now not only do we have that SMT, this SMT as well. My gosh. We are dumping. I just got the draw on liquidity wrong for today. Looks like we just want to come sweep out these lows. Like to see the 5 to 15 minute retracement now. Probably just gonna come down and take out these lows though. We do. Sweep out all these lows. inversion. Two-minute size time frame. Get a 2-minute inversion. Target this unfilled 15. Might just tap into the 5 though. Break even right here. Wow, this is very surprising to me. We're gonna get stopped out. Price probably wanted to come tap back into this, which we did get a tap into. Wow. Wow. Incredible stop loss placement right there. That is just awesome. Incredible stop loss placement. Price wanted to come respect this 2-minute that we left unfilled. Same with a 3-minute that we left unfilled. Wow. Before displacing up into the 15-minute. That was incredible. Now let's see if we get a reaction. You get a 5-minute inversion. I already took a win, so I'm not trading this, but this is a great trade as well. Didn't play out. Wow. I think I'm gonna end it off there. I mean, this was a great backtesting session. So I'm curious to see this break-even trades count against my win rate in FX. Hopefully they don't count against my win rate. Because I'd look at a break-even trade like a good. Okay, so they're ignored. Yeah, I don't think break-evens are counted against me. I took 1 win, 2 losses, 1, 2, 3. Took 2 losses, 4 wins. Oops, that is not what I meant to do. I can't remember if I took this today, 2 break-evens, but what did we come into the day with our win rate at? Still around 66%, but pretty incredible. These 2 re-entries messed me up at the start pretty bad, but I like it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Took 9 winners, 4 losers, 3 break-even trades. Yeah, pretty great session. Well, that's gonna do it for me. I'll be back tomorrow for another market analysis in the morning, going over any trades I possibly took, possible missed entries, other good trades as well. Do a more in-depth one than I did today. I really focused on the trade that I took this morning rather than other possible entries. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow for some market analysis, and then of course we'll continue backtesting as well. So yeah, that's gonna be all for me. So I'll see ya.